Malaysia. This is Gerryko here. Today is the 25th of March 2017. It's a Saturday. It's 11 AM. Huawei is opening. Yes. Let's go. Take a looky. With lots of dragon dancers and whatnot, and ray boxes. Huawei Go. You already have my name card, right? So this is Gerryko, and I'm Gerryko.
Alright.
Oh, the sign this one as well.
Yeah. Okay.
Any food today?
Sorry?
Any food provided?
Light refreshments.
Okay.
Something to eat, finger food and stuff.
No alcohol, right?
No.
Don't worry. No, I worry there's no alcohol.
Oh, you're worried there's no alcohol?
Yeah. Thank you very much, Gary.
Okay, I need you to fill this up as well. Just name, number, and signature.
Oh.
This is for a little gift that we're giving.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You already have my card, right?
Yes, I do.
Can you put me?
Yeah, just sign that.
Can you put me on your media list? Thank you.
Absolutely. No problem.
Here. What is this?
This is we have an auction later. If you're interested, just there's the card.
Auction. Okay, for cheap phones, right?
It's one of our flagship phones.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much.
We'll find out later anyway, so. Right.
Thank you. What's inside here? No idea. Let's see what's in the box, since I got a message from Lee asking what's the surprise gift, which needs a second signature, which seems to denote that it's quite good stuff. Let's see here. The video registration and all those things. Huawei launches first regional flagship store in Malaysia, which is this. Hey Imran, how are you?
Good.
Fine. We're going to do some auction, Mr. Imran. Auction. Yeah.
Okay. Wow, really? Cool.
Yeah. For some maybe phones, cheap phone.
Yeah, I think so. They're gonna cut down the market price, right?
Yeah, hopefully. But I don't have any cash on me so far.
So can we leave the Vincent around back here?
I don't know. What's this?
This one is, I think, the
Band, corner band. I think maybe it's for the watch or something. Fitness.
yeah, it's a fitness watch. Correct.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it an iWatch? No. A competitor. Oops.
Fitness watch.
Let's go and take a look. Oh, I had to open it up. That's why it's a bit exclusive here. Oh! Wow, beautiful. Looks like women's. The band is quite small. Interesting. How does this thing work? Oh, the instructions are all inside here.
There's a woman thing, right?
Yeah, I think it's a woman's thing. Oh, there's a USB cable here. Some instruction books and of course warranty. Cool, not bad. Nice, thanks Huawei. Thank you very much Huawei. Definitely you'll beat iPhone. Those Apple fellas. I wonder if we're invited to any Apple launch.
Apple, normally they won't launch that way, yeah?
Oh, is it? Let's go and get some selfies with the girls. There's some people here that I see here, that I'm not sure whether it's in David Cam's group or not. No? David Cam's group?
You've seen?
Did I release this information into David Cam's group?
I have no idea.
I think I do like all this high profile stuff, I need to release it individually to them.
Yeah.
Because too many like some very strange people.
I agree with you.
David keeps on like adding all types of people. I mean, it's racist for me to do so, but what can I do, man? You see the usual suspects of the Pavillion people around, pretty good there. I thought I had to go to Shah Alam.
Yes, this.
Oh, fine. I just go to Shah Alam for a Sony event.
Okay.
Go-karting. Next week is the Stadium Malawati, which they are having Disney on Ice.
Oh, when is it that one?
Yesterday, today and tomorrow.
Okay, cool.
200 ringgit lah.
That's nice. Not bad, huh? The pricing is okay, 200.
What?
I mean, you're talking about the
Disney
ice, right?
Yeah. I'm not sure because normally for media, if we show up, should be free. Should be. Let's go read the stuff here. Do you have any cash on you?
I do have.
You do.
If something is nice there, why not?
Right? Let's see here. You can pause and read whatever this is. Huawei, if you're interested. This table is not stable at all. About Huawei, how to contact them. So once you get into their media list, it's a never-ending cycle of media stuff. Once you get into their media list, today's itinerary. Ends at 1 PM.